Good morning to everyone. My name is Srinidhi. I am from UKGB. Today I am going to present the world countries' names and the name of the currency. Afghanistan, Afghani, Andorra, Euro, Argentina, Peso, Armenia, Ram, Australia, Australian dollar, Austria, Euro formerly shilling, Bahrain, Bahrain dinar, Bangladesh, Dhaka, Barbados, Barbados dollar, Belgium, Euro formerly Belgium franc, Belize, Belize dollar, Bhutan gold drum, Bolivia, Boliviano, Botswana, Pula, Brazil, Real, Brunei, Brunei dollar, Bulgaria, Love, Canada, Canadian dollar, China, Chinese yuan, Colombia, Colombian peso, Croatia, Croatia, Cuba, Cuba peso, Cyprus euro, Denmark, Danish krone, Egypt, Egyptian pound, Ethiopia birr, Canada, Fiji, Fiji dollar, Finland euro, formerly mark, France euro, formerly French franc, Georgia lari, Germany euro, formerly Deutschmark, Greece euro, formerly drachma, Guinea, Guinean franc, Hungary for it, Iceland, Icelandic krona, India, Indian rupee, Indonesia, rupiah, Iran, riyal, Iraq, Iraqi dinar, Ireland, euro, formerly Irish pound, Israel, shekel, Italy, euro, formerly lira, Jamaica, Jamaican dollar, Japan and Jordan, Jordanian dinar, Kazakhstan, tenge, Kenya, Kenya shilling, Korea North one, Korea South one, Kuwaiti dinar, Lebanon, Lebanese pound, Liberia, Liberian dollar. 50 countries complete பண்ணிட்டு 100 country practice பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். Thank you.